The team from Blueshift are constantly working on the decentralized exchange to improve the user experience and the user interface. Now, the internal teams are always working on this and making those iterative improvements, but they're working against assumptions and thinking about what might work best. What is even better is to work against real-world feedback from users, and this is what we're starting now. We're starting a user experience feedback campaign where you guys can provide the feedback for us to make those improvements. And to compensate you guys for your time and effort, we have a prize pool of 10,000 Blues tokens, which we'll be distributing for the best reviews and feedback that we get within this campaign. The rewards will be broken up into 3 different tiers. The top tier going to the best 5 performing feedbacks that we get, and they will earn up to 500 Blues tokens. The next 25 best will be rewarded up to 100 Blues tokens, and the next 100 best reviews be rewarded up to 50 Blues tokens. So there's quite a bit there, and we're not going to make it easy for you. There is a bit of a form that you need to fill in. It will take a bit of time and effort to do. You need to interact with our social channels, do retweeting on Twitter, follow our YouTube channel, etc. So there's a little bit of a process there. And you also will need a minimum of $100 worth of liquidity on the DEX itself and being held there for a certain amount of time so that we can go through all the reviews, check your Milcometer address, and then be able to reward you afterwards accordingly based on the rankings if you make it into that top tier positions of reviews. Now, we're really looking forward to starting this campaign and having everyone on board. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Make sure you follow up and check out the blog post that has all the details within it, and we'll see you soon.